Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on substitution method worksheets. So this video presents a worksheet involved with solving simultaneous equations using the substitution method. As you can see, there are 6 examples. If you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will show you how to solve all these examples. I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. After that, I'll move on to the next slide, which contains the answers. I'll move on to the next slide now. So this slide contains the answers to the previous slide where there were 6 examples, and that will enable you to check your answers and to see how you went. I'll also leave this slide on for about a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is.